baby. Hi. Hi, bunny baby. Hi. You're still in your PJs. Yeah. Say it is cold and rainy. Super, super rainy. And everybody's pretty much still in their jammies and not wanting to do anything because it is dark and overcast and super cozy. Huh. Yeah. I think all the kids are still in their pajamas. It's about 11 or so. I think they're still curled up in their beds because it's freezing. And nobody really wants to do anything. Today is Friday, which is our unschool Friday anyways. I don't even know if they have any motivation to want to work on anything. But that's okay. Huh. Yes. I have to get downstairs to my design room and design a wedding for tomorrow. So I've got to get to work and get that done. Our house is still a complete disaster that has not gotten put together. My hair is going everywhere. I have a ton of computer work I would like to get working on, things I would like to get done. Got the winter edition of the magazine to get working on. The poor little chickens outside are not even wanting to come out. I think they're all still tucked up in their coop hiding because it is just super nasty out. Huh. The kids want to go on a hike, but obviously we can't do that. I'm trying to work on finding some trails so maybe we can do like a hike each week and go somewhere they're really excited about. So working on that. Not much anything. You thought yesterday was a boring video. Today's probably going to be even more boring. I don't know. They don't really want to do anything. It's cold. Everyone wants to be curled up in bed trying to stay warm. The girls are in their bed like playing games, but like curled up in their bed together. It's kind of cute. And Travis, I think he just went and curled back up. He might have fallen back asleep. I don't know. I haven't even seen him in a little bit. I don't know. Huh. Nothing fun today. Nothing fun today. What are you trying to get? My slipper? Mum, mum, mum. You can say it. You say mum, mum, mum. You still have oatmeal on your face. Ouch. Nope. Look how cute. Oh, you burped. You burped. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah.
Virginia needs a baby on her game. Can you give me more time?
Virginia needs a baby on her game.
What you have to do is you have to get a husband. There's different levels and stuff in the game. You have to be level 15. And there's this thing that says open breed once you get level 15. And you have to wait, what was it? I think 20 minutes? No, I don't remember. 19, I think, minutes until you can get a baby. But it's really boring to wait. So we're going to play our game. Well, it's doing that. It can't be shut off when you can't be shut off and then, like, I don't know how to explain it, but you can't have the tablet shut off when
you wait to get a baby as an animal in the game you're playing.
Oh, it's a bear game.
A bear game. So that's how bears have babies.
See, look. Yep.
Science with Lily.
This is it. Let's wait. See.
Oh.
We have to wait 15 seconds, I think.
Hey, remember those wildlife shows we saw yesterday? I think there was one with the animal babies. Was there a bear with the animal babies?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we could watch that today and see how, like, real life stuff happens.
Yeah. This game is kind of like real life.
Do you think when we watch that bears just wait 20 minutes and then they have a baby?
15.
Do you think that's how it is in real life?
Yeah. Do you see that? Look. That's you. That's you. Did you just feed her? Oh, you have no boppy. No, you didn't. That's you.
Yeah, I do, because the boppy's behind you. Look at those girls.
2 girls so far. Oh, no, I'm going to start.
What are you gonna do today, Lo?
Snuggle on the couch, watch movies, play video games.
Because it's cold.
School. Yeah.
Today's your unschool day. What do you want to learn?
Oh.
It's Friday. What do you want to learn?
Could we do electives and stuff? What do you mean learn?
Is there anything you want to learn about today?
Oh, animals, I guess.
Just animals?
Mm-hmm.
Watch some more animal documentaries?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Pickle Baby.
Oh, hi, Pickle.
Pickle's ready?
Pickle, 13 minutes until we get a baby. Mom, 13 minutes. She got me a bat. Unlocked a bat. When you're level 15, you all also unlock a bat. And I'm almost. Oh, by the way, Mom's game is called Ultimate. Ultimate Bear. I almost can get Rocky. Good, you almost got Rocky. Oh, but I'm level 1. Wait, you're level 1 on the bat? Oh, you are.
So, animal studies. And they're gone. Olivia found a sock on the floor, which of course, this cute little baby sock was full of stuff from her sisters. Rocks, of course. Ollie, are those your favorite rocks?
Hands.
Oh, you can just set them on the couch. I was getting ready to take them in there. Thank you. Did you find rocks? Are those the coolest rocks ever?
Oh, it's not cool, baby. Yummy rocks. My rock. Your rock.
Just gonna slide rocks all over the floor today.
Sorry, Laura, kid, it might be. Oh, she wants this rock. She doesn't like this rock. Want my rock now? Yeah. Woo. Not my rock. What are you doing? She likes that they slide.
See? Don't buy them fancy, crazy toys. Give them a couple rocks. That good rock?
And acorns.
Yeah, she had an acorn yesterday. That was fun from our walk. Cool stuff, huh, Bunny? Look at her. She wants to crawl so bad.
You're already crawling, baby. How old is she?
Almost 10 months.
10 months almost. Look at this big baby. Look at this big baby.
Should be a year old in January. What the heck, baby? Too big.
What is it, January? Too big.
A few more months.
No, I don't want you to. Oh, you want the Triceratops. That's what you want. Want a trike? Well, they're pretty.
Dinosaurs and rocks. Boom, bam.
Dinosaurs and rocks.
Well, it's almost dinner time. The rain has kind of calmed down. Look at these poor birds. Hey, guys. Y'all drenched? Turk, you look so sad. You're all wet. Yeah. It's gonna come out and check on the babies. Ah, here comes a turkey. Your feathers are all wet, buddy. What's up, Turk? Yeah. So, hey, here's our hens. Hey, girls. Where are the babies? Look, a bunch of them are over there on their perches. Where are the babies? Oh, everything is so soaked. Hey, Rita. Wanted to check. There they, well, there's a baby. Rita, you're going the wrong way. Oh, they're all tucked up there. Can you see them? They're all tucked up on top of the box. All right. Hey, Turk, what's up? What's up, buddy? I'm gonna check on all you birds. They're liking all the stuff that's floating up, though. You guys are like, you just eat. Eat. Look at them. Hey, Turk. Oh, and there's Rita over there. She's lost again. That chicken is always lost. Look at that. It's one of our biggest roosters. Isn't he huge? Hey, guys. We desperately need to do some cleaning out here and get stuff taken care of. Maybe, well, next week is a really busy week for me. Next week I have 2 huge weddings and a rehearsal dinner that we have to design stuff for. So I probably won't get anything I want to accomplish next week because it's a busy one. Maybe the week after that I'll be able to start accomplishing some of these things. I feel like every time I take one step forward, I get like 30 more steps that I'm falling behind on. But anyways, hope you guys all had a great week. Sorry our past couple days weren't too terribly exciting. I love getting all your suggestions for the magazine, so if there's anything else you think of that you want to see in our winter edition that'll come out on December 1st, make sure to message it to me. Look at, can you see Rita? No, probably not. Rita, Lily's chicken with the head feather. She kills me when she gets wet. She looks so funny. You have to see her. Hold on. Rita, baby. You can't see through your head feathers, can you? Can you see her? Oh, she's running away now. She looks so silly with her little head feathers when they get wet. Cracks us up. She's such a funny chicken. She's funny, huh, Bunny? See her down there by the bike tire? Let's try and get close. Turkeys, that's not food. Those are her feathers. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I tried. I always wanted to come out, check on the babies, and do this. I've got rain on my camera. I've got the wedding pretty much all designed, so I've just got to finish up a few things there, but I'm gonna go inside and make up a big old pot of some bacon potato soup so we can eat something, make some bread rolls, and get this wedding finished, go do that tomorrow, maybe get some housework done, maybe try to catch up on some things in my life, hopefully, possibly, and see you guys next week. Bunny baby, wanna say bye-bye? Hey, hey. You're distracted by chickens now, aren't you? Hey, what's up, big girl? Got anything to say? Chickens? That's it? Yeah, it's hard to keep your attention when there's this many birds out here. Yeah, alright, that's it.